Hi everyone, this is Juniper. I'm the creator of Myssage Myofascial Release, and I'm here to give you some tips on how to use Myssage balls when you're traveling. So today my video is going to be about digestion. A lot of times when we're traveling we end up eating foods that we're unaccustomed to, and sometimes it ends up that you feel a little sluggish in your digestion and just need a little bit of encouragement, and that's why I'm here with these Myssage balls to show you how to encourage your digestion in a very gentle but firm way. So bring your feet onto the ground, lower yourself onto your back. Make sure that your back feels flat and comfortable. Walk your feet up towards your sits bones. Press up and take your pelvis off the ground, and then place the balls on either side of your spine, just below where your belly is on the back side. So then lower yourself down, sort of onto very sort of tip of your tailbone. Once the balls are placed, it's going to tilt your pelvis just slightly, and so when you have lowered down, you'll feel your tailbone touch the ground, and a gentle pressure all throughout the low back area. So you want the balls to be sort of on the outer reaches so that you're kind of getting into the ascending and descending colon. So now we're going to heel toe our feet wide, and then lower one knee down across the midline. This increases the pressure on the opposite side. So I'm feeling more pressure now on my right side, so the corner of my ascending colon, right where it meets up, or where it traverses. And to increase and encourage digestion here, you can interlace your fingers and then gently aim downward and inward as you give a little bit of pressure into the belly. And then you're going to switch and do the same thing the other direction. So now I'm using the heel of my right hand and aiming sort of at a downward angle. So it's getting in and kind of finding some space in between the digestive tract. And so once you become accustomed to this movement, it feels really natural, and you can kind of get a sense for how you're just creating some space, a little bit of movement. It feels really nice. The main thing to remember is that you don't want to create pressure on the very center of the belly, above the belly button. The pressure has to come down and in at an angle. This is a technique that I learned when I studied Thai massage, Thai abdominal massage. So it just creates just a sustained pressure. And meanwhile, of course, breathing, using your diaphragm to massage and to press into the transverse colon. And then you take the balls out from under. You're good to go. Thanks for joining me.